Morning students, I hope you will be fine, safe and healthy. My dear students, I'm your English teacher. I will share with you people online classes, online lectures based on your home task that has been designed with worksheet, with activities, and I hope you people will take it seriously. Okay, you must attend your classes, you must attend your online lectures, and before watching this video, you people must have your English books. You people must have any pencil for writing and any notepad or writing notebook. Okay, so our today's first lecture is on unit 1 and its name is Nicobobinus. We will do reading for more understanding, for increasing, for enhancing your comprehension regarding text. And the theme of this unit is adventure and imagination. What is meant by theme? My dear students, the subject of a talk or piece of writing is called theme, and the theme of this unit is adventure and imagination. What is meant by adventure? We can say an unusual and exciting or daring experience is called adventure. And what is meant by imagination? Basically, imagination is an act or power of forming a mental image of something that is not present in real life and not present to the senses. And our learning objective is, after attending your online classes, after listening or watching this video, you people will know about the author, you people will enhance your reading skill and also your vocabulary. You will enhance your vocabulary about the author. These are the first two chapters from a novel called Nicobobinus by Terry Jones. It's the name of the writer, Terry John, and it is full of humor and adventure. What is meant by humor? We can say the quality of being amusing or comic is called humor. Adventure, I have told you earlier, adventure mean an unusual and exciting experience. You should read the whole novel if you get a chance, because this is very interesting novel. Besides writing books and poems, Terry John is a comedian, screenwriter, film director, and historian. What is meant by comedian? We can say an entertainer on stage or television whose act is designed to make the audience laugh. Okay, and screenwriter means, we can say, a person who writes screenplays, especially as an occupation or profession. Okay, a film director means a person who directs the film. Okay, and historian means an expert in or a student of history is called historian. So this is a story of the most extraordinary child whoever stuck his tongue out at the prime ministers. Extraordinary means unusual. His name was Nicobobinus. He lived a long ago in a city called Venus and could do anything. Of course, not everybody knew he could do anything. In fact, only his best friend. What is the name of his best friend? Rosie. Only Rosie knew, and nobody took any notice of anything Rosie said, because she was always having wild ideas anyway. What is meant by wild ideas? We can say unusual or extreme. One day, for example, Rosie said to Nicobobinus, what did she say? She said, let's pull up every single weed. What is meant by weed? Weed mean unwanted plant. Weed on your doorstep? Let's not, said Nicobobinus, which is what Rosie thought he would say. In that case, replied Rosie, let's discover the land of dragons. Have you seen the dragons? No? Okay, let me show you dragons. You can see dragons are such type of creatures. The land of dragons. Don't be daft, said Nicobobinus. Daft means silly. How can we do that? Because you can do anything, said Rosie. So the next morning, just as it was getting light, Rosie threw little pebbles. What is meant by pebbles? Small stones. I will show you. Yes, you can see here. This is a picture of pebbles. Little pebbles up at Nicobobinus' shutters. Have you seen the shutters? What is meant by shutters? We can say fixed panel inside or outside a window. You can see here the picture of shutters. Have you seen it? Okay, good. Nicobobinus was still half asleep when he looked out. What's the matter, Rosie? He asked. Shh, whispered Rosie. I have got the buns and the lemonade. Have you seen the buns and lemonades, my students? I will show you the picture of lemonade and buns. Yes, buns. Wow, it looks very yummy. And these are lemonades. Lemonade is a drink made from lemon juice and water that we use in summer, that we drink in summer. Okay, I have given you some visual learning of difficult vocabulary. You people can see it and it will enhance your vocabulary and also your understanding about the difficult words. My dear students, you can see here some more difficult words. I have written their meanings. Extraordinary means strange, odd, unusual, unexpected, surprising, amazing, astonishing. Okay, and stuck mean fixed, trapped, caught, immovable, having difficulties. And what is meant by wild ideas, thoughts, and dreams? And daft means silly. Here are some questions for assessment. You people will first of all you will read the question and then you will write the answer. Okay, so first question is, what do we learn about Nicobobinus in the first paragraph? For answering this question, you must read the first paragraph again. Okay, the second question is, who is Rosie? Here you will write about the Rosie. Who is Rosie? And the third question is, why don't people pay attention to what Rosie say? Okay, you can see here answers are also given for your ease. So the answer of first question is, we learned that he stuck his tongue out at Prime Minister and that he could do anything he liked. Okay, so the answer of second question is, Rosie is Nicobobinus' best friend. And the answer of third question is, they don't pay attention to what she says because she always says strange and wild things. Here are some MCQs. Choose the correct option. Nicobobinus lived a long ago in a city called Venus. Rosie was Nicobobinus' sister? No. Neighbor? No. Friend? Yes. Rosie was Nicobobinus' friend. The third statement is, Rosie replied, let's discover the land of horses? No. Land of cats? No. The lands of cows? No. The lands of dragons? Yes, the lands of dragons. So, the fourth statement is Rosie threw dash pebbles up at Nicobobinus' shutter. Little? Yes, little pebbles. And the fifth statement is Nicobobinus was still dash asleep when he looked out. 1 hour, half asleep, hour sleep, and all. What is the right answer? What is the best answer? That is half asleep. My dear students, you can see here answers are also given. So here are some words. Make sentences of the given words. Extraordinary, unusual. Ali is an extraordinary intelligent boy. Whispered. What is meant by whispered? We can say to say something softly. He whispered in the class. Tripped over. We can say tripped over mean to stumble. Dancers tripped over the stage gloomily, sadly. We had a week of gloomily weather. Revealed. Revealed mean we can say to disclose, to show something, to disclose. He revealed her secret in the meeting. Instigated. We can say instigated mean set in motion. So there has been an increase in the amount of violence instigated by gangs. Suddenly. Suddenly mean we can say at once. Suddenly I saw a lion in the jungle. Jerkin. He has a beautiful black jerkin. Jerkin mean a sleeveless leather jacket we can say. Shook. She shook her head in anger. It is the second form of word shake. So your homework is do reading of page 7 and make a list of difficult words. And the second your assignment is use given words in your own sentences. I will encourage those students who will make sentences by using their own words. So it is page number 7. You will do reading of page 7. I have highlighted some difficult words. If you feel some more words, difficult, you can underline them. And what you have to do, you will underline difficult words and you will write them on a page, and then you will send me the picture of that page. On tomorrow inshallah we will do its reading and I will share with you people the meaning of all these words. And here is activity, that is listening activity. Listen your teacher carefully and write meaning of difficult words. Okay, on tomorrow inshallah I will share with you people the meaning of all these words, simple meaning for your ease, and then you will write them on the given space. Okay, got it? I'm going to again repeat your homework. What you have to do, you will have to do reading of page number 7 and make a list of difficult words. Okay, and then you will use these words in your own sentences. Okay, I hope you will have get it. My dear students, if you have any problem, any query, so without any hesitation you can ask any question. You can send me voice message, you can send me your question in written form. I'll answer your question inshallah. So stay happy, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.